Hello, guys. You know how at Disneyland they have those soda bottles that are in the Star Wars section and look like grenades and have the grenade top? Well, today I'm going to show you how to 3D print that. See, it has a hole in the top in case you get the cap stuck, and sides that look like the pineapple grenade. And yeah, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up Cura or whatever slicing software you have after you've gotten the file from Thingiverse. And that's the main part. You put it into the slicer, you slice it to your specifications, and then you just send it to your printer. I use Octoprint, but you can use whatever you use if you have it hooked up to a USB drive. Now here's me 3